Hello students, good morning to all. I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. Children, as we know, chapter number 8, Who is Heavier, is going on, right? In previous class, we have learned how to convert kilogram into gram, right? Today we will learn conversion of gram into kilogram. That means how to convert gram into kilogram. Here I have written 1000 gram makes 1 kilogram. Okay. So 5000 gram is equal to just its half. That means 1 by 2 kg. It means half kilogram. So we can say 500 grams makes half kilogram. Now we see here example, convert gram to kilogram. So here is given 2000 gram and that we have to convert into kilogram. So to convert gram into kilogram, we divide the gram by 1000. Okay. In last time to convert kilogram to gram, we have multiply, and here when we have to convert gram into kilogram, we will divide by 1000. So when we divide 2000 divide by 1000, we get 2 kilogram. Okay. There are another method, also one more method I will show you here to clear the concept. Here I have written 7000 gram and we have to convert into kilogram. So children, here I have written 70. So can we write instead of 70, 7 multiply by 10? That is 10 7 ja 70. Similarly, 700. So we can write instead of 700, 7 multiply by 100. That is 700. Same way, 7000 is equal to multiply by 1000. It means when we multiply a 7 by 1000, we get 7000. So here I have written 7000 gram is equal to 7 multiply by 1000. Okay. So here I have written 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So children, can we write here instead of 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg? So let's write. We will write here 7 multiply, we can write 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. Now we multiply 7 ones are 7. So here will be 7 kg. So we can say 7000 gram is equal to 7 kilogram, right? So children, I have mentioned here two methods. According to your convenient, you can solve the sum. Okay. Let's see another question. Here is 9000 gram that we have to convert into kilogram. So what we have done, children? 9 multiply by 1000. So 1000 multiplied by 9 is equal to 9000. So we know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So I have written here 1 kilogram. 9 ones are, now we will multiply by 9. So 9 ones are 9. So we get 9 kilogram, right? But here a little bit different. In this question, I have written 2950 gram. So here I kept here separate 2000 gram plus 950 gram. So here we know 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So 2000 gram is equal to 2 kg. So we can write directly 2 kg. So we will write here 2 kilogram. And this we will write, we will copy down 950 gram. So we can write 2 kilogram 950 gram. This is the answer. Okay. Children, here we have to remember only two concepts. What? First, to convert kilogram to gram, multiply kilogram by 1000. Okay, so here I have shown here in map. Here I have written kilogram and here gram. So to convert kilogram into gram, we multiply. That means when we go from bigger unit to smaller unit, we always multiply by 1000. Okay. So now when we have to convert gram to kilogram, that means smaller unit to bigger unit, what we do? We divide by 1000. So here smaller unit to, from a smaller unit to bigger unit, we always divide. So here, for example, here is 2 kilogram. That means kilogram is bigger unit and we have to convert into gram. So here I have written here, when we have to convert bigger to smaller, we will multiply. So 2 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 2000. So 2 kilogram is equal to 2000 gram. Similarly, here I have written 3000 gram and we have to convert into kilogram. So here is given a smaller unit and we have to convert into bigger unit. Smaller, from smaller to bigger. So from smaller to bigger we will divide by 1000. So here 3000 divide by 1000. What we get? We get 3. So 3000 gram is equal to 3 kilogram. Children, here we will do this question directly without solve. So here is filling the blanks. 6 kilogram is equal to how much gram? Here I have not written. So no need to write process, directly we can write. And I hope you will also do directly. So how to do? Here is written 6 kilogram. So what we write here? We will write 6 and we put 10, 20 and 30, right? Or this way you can understand, if 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, so 6 kilogram is equal to 6000 gram. Now 8 kilogram. So children, now it's your turn to tell answer. So here what number we will write? Yes, what we write? We write here 8 and how many 0? 1, 2, 3. It means 8 kilogram is equal to 8000 gram. Now here is gram. It means smaller unit to bigger unit. We have to convert into kilogram. So here is 5000 gram. Here also we can do directly. It means to convert kilogram, we cut 3 0. 1, 2 and 3 0. So what is remaining now? It is 5. So 5000 gram is equal to 5 kilogram. Similarly, here is 18,000 gram. So we cut 3 0, 1, 2 and 3. So here it is 18. So we write here 18. Okay. Now here 5300 gram. So how to convert into kilogram? First, here is not 3 0. Are you seeing children? 1, 2. Only 2 zeros are here. So what we do? We write last 3 digit number, or we can say ones, tens and 100 place number we will consider as gram. Means here we will write 300 gram and remaining 5 we will write in kg. So we can say 5 kilogram and 300 gram. Similarly, last 3 digit number we consider as gram. So we write here 205 gram and remaining number is 4. So we will write 4. That is, the answer is 4 kg and 205 gram. Now here is given 2 kilogram and 420 grams. So we have to convert into gram. So directly how can we write, children? Here it is already converted, so no need to change. And here only, here is given only 2 kg, so 2 kilogram is equal to 2000. So 2000 plus 420, or we can write directly all numbers together. Here 2, now 4, 2, 0. That means 2440 gram. And last question is 7 kilogram and 100 gram. So children, how we write? We write 7100. It means all number together, 7100. Okay, I hope you understood all these sums.